Hey everyone, it is Silly Man here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a private game on Roblox playable by others. So let's say I have a game that I don't want to make public, but I want to have certain people be able to play it. One way you could do this is by making the game public and then setting it to friends only, but this will allow everyone on your friends list to play it. And that's probably not what you want. You probably want only specific people to be able to play it. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So the first thing you want to do is click on your game. Go to create.roblox.com to view all your games. So click it and then go to basic settings and make sure that it is set to private and then click on save changes. And if you want to be able to invite people that aren't on your friends list, what you want to do is go over to access and then set this to public. But you want to make sure that the game over here still says that it is private. So the next thing you want to do is go over to Roblox Studio and then click on your game. And then once it has loaded, you want to click on collaborate. And then we're going to type in the username of the player that we want to invite. And make sure you type in their full username, not just their display name. So I'm going to just invite my alt account. Then it should show up here. And then you want to click on it. And then by default, it's going to give them edit access. But let's say we only want them to be able to play it and not be able to edit. We can just set it to play. And then hit save. Now this will turn on team create, but if we only allow play access, we may not want team create because it can actually slow things down, such as when you open the game. So I'm going to hit save. So now team create is turned on, but if you don't want team create, we can actually disable it. You just want to go over to view and then click on team create and then click the three dots here and then click disable team create and press yes. And this will disable team create. So as you can see, the game is still private. I'm going to go ahead and join the game now. And then I'm going to join on my alt account as well. And as you can see, my alt account is in the game even though the game is private. And that is how you make a private game playable by others on Roblox. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and I will see you all in the next video.